in East Central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in East Central Florida, until 2:45 p.m.
They just did a doubleheader. I was just listening to the radio for fun. They just did a doubleheader, so I thought I might as well record.
Was located over Lone Cabbage Fish Camp. Loading east at
I don't know if you can see what we're doing. I'm not going to focus on it.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocklet, Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral, and Merritt Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement.
Well, they didn't do a doubleheader, but it was like maybe like 10 seconds away from each other. Anyways.
On. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Orange County and East Central Florida, North Central Osceola County and East Central Florida until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Narcoosee, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Kissimmee, St. Cloud, Westlake, Toledo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm.
Why don't we go ahead and go outside real quick to see how the storm's going, and also check up on Rocco. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we got quite the storm going. Coming in, don't we? Why don't we go ahead and go out here to see what we can see. Oh, yeah. There's probably a lot of lightning there.
Source, radar indicated. Impact. Southeast wind 5 to 7. Lake waters light.
There's some KPS there. Extremely faintly somehow right now at whatever time it is in the afternoon. Getting KIH-26. If you don't know what radio this is the Talk Pod A36SC. It's a little ham radio thingy, like a Baofeng. But, in my opinion, better.
Under roars, go indoors.
Starting to, drip drop. There goes some thunder. Pretty dark clouds, but nothing that's insane. And then over there we have just nice blue skies with some nice white clouds, and then here we just have an insane storm. Welcome to Florida, guys. Let's go back inside. Some blue skies all around. We got a marginal risk today. There's some blue skies right there. That was lightning that you just heard on the radio right there, that static.
The 2 p.m. weather roundup. At the Orlando International Airport, thunder was...
Not bad. Whoa! Okay. Let me go ahead and say hi to our buddy here, Rocco. Hey! Hi, buddy. Hey. Say hi to the people, bud. Very handsome, cute little doggy. Alrighty.